Hey, my name is Parth Sethi, and this assignment is for course CGS 2100, and I'm here to show my the Tableau project. So this is my net income versus revenue, and revenue versus cup sold, and this is the competitor sales, and this is my dashboard. You can see like all of them here. So net income versus revenue, as you can see, in this is by week. So as you see, my net income increases. You can see the net income in week 1 is like minus 3000 something. So and my brand awareness is like 7 because it is just like started. So when it started, so I was so excited, and but I could see it was in minus and my net income was like decreasing. So I got like a little tense, like why is like still in minus. So then I realized that every successful business shall has like always has like a you have to like spend a lot of cash in the start so that you can get a bright future. So as you can see, at the end I'm like at a 40,000 like cash profit, and like I have a net income of like $27,000, but it wasn't like minus on like first week. So now we can see revenue versus my cup sold. So as you can see, the orange line shows the revenue, and these bar graphs are the cups sold. So this is by weeks, and like till I can say like week 12. So in week 12 there was an addition, like you can hire more like staff for and like put up a cart. So this is why my week 12 has the most highest cup sold, as you can see here. And my general is like around, my average is like around 3000 cups sold in the like week 7, 8 and 9, 10 and like 12, 13. And now is my competitor one. Now you can see I had maintained a great position in like throughout my BizCafe journey. As you can see from here, these are all my competitors, and the red one is like my cafe. This is known as Sethi's Delicacy. And you can see my revenue was like 158,525 dollars, and this was in week 13. So as you can see, like others have like around 96,000, 81,000, 75,000. This has like 50,000. So I had a great revenue, and I feel like I had a great success in this cafe, but I feel like I could do more better. Yeah. So this is my dashboard. You can see everything here, as like what what is like, and like I can see like others. If you like click on this, you can see like others, what happened with others. Yeah, this is all I would like to talk. And the most interesting part, I would say, was the week this one. So when I choose when you have to like additional staff and like get a cart, this was my like one of my favorite weeks because I had the most cups sold. Yeah, that would be all for it. I loved enjoying this course. Thank you so much.